where there are no roads. Make your own. On the versatile Logger XL from CEAT. Tread through the impossible on the strong and straight lugs with optimum lug geometry that tightly grip every surface, providing unmatched traction across the densest forests and muddiest marshes. No matter what the forest throws your way, the Logger XL's reinforced sidewall and shoulder deflectors offers unparalleled resistance against impacts and cuts, ensuring nothing hinders your operations. Resilient from its core, the multi-layer strong nylon carcass with steel breakers resists punctures on the roughest terrains, while the special designed rim protector shields the bead from damage, making your skidder an unstoppable force in the forest. With CEAT's forestry range, the roughest terrains won't slow you down. Its deep and open shoulder effortlessly sheds debris and mud, ensuring that you can continue without a hitch, whether solo or aided by chains. Deep into the unforgiving wild, experience the power of resilience and precision that helps you cut through the most difficult terrains on the most reliable and resilient tire from CEAT, the Logger XL.